Today for the Bitcoin price, breaking news guys. One of our favorite on-chain indicators right now has, for the fourth time in the 11 years history of Bitcoin, flashed an extremely bullish signal. Look at this. Every single time we went here with the orange line on the pure multiple out of this green territory, we had the start of the parabolic bull run confirmed in every single cycle. And the last times we flashed the signal, we went 8,000% from 250 US dollars to 20,000 US dollars, and also from 3,100 US dollars to 14,000 US dollars. And right now this signal is flashing again. I will be telling you exactly how to understand this indicator, what it means right now, and where Bitcoin is going to go here according to the signal in the immediate short term. But also guys, of course, we will be focusing here on the short-term price action for Bitcoin with this recent rejection here, and we will be telling you whether we think we are going to go here to the next attempt and break out to a very specific price level, or if Bitcoin is going to continue this leg down here and break down to another price level we are about to share with you in this video. So guys, make sure you take a seat. Thank you so much for watching. Scroll down, smash up the like button to at least 3,000 or 3,500 likes. And that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into content. Okay guys, we are starting here once again on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And as you can see here, Bitcoin is still trapped in this symmetrical triangle after we had two fake outs, especially this crazy fake out here with the bar pattern to the downside. And after we covered it in yesterday's video, we were actually rejected right here. And the question right now is, of course, will Bitcoin go up for a next attempt, maybe even breakout, confirm the breakout, or are we going to continue this rejection here towards the downside? And this is what I want to talk about today before we will be going into this crazy indicator directly from the on-chain data, indicating that Bitcoin is right now showing for the fourth time in the 11 years history a massive buy indication. And I can already tell you this one has not failed so far in the history of Bitcoin. Stick here until the end of the video. This is hands down guys, this is a promise, the most important point of the video. So if any, watch until the end. So first of all, let's go here into the TA, and I will also of course be sharing with you my specific game plan here for Bitcoin right now. And in case Bitcoin is actually breaking out, I am going to trade the breakout, but only, and this is the reason why I have been not here, I have drawn this trend line here a little bit differently at this fake out and also not at this fake out, because what I want to see here is a breakout and then a confirmation of the breakout. This is a healthy breakout you can trade, and if Bitcoin confirms the breakout, this is the point, especially like a little bit, maybe a little bit higher, this is the point after the bounce at the previous trend line where we are going into the trade. And this is also my exact game plan here. Of course, if Bitcoin is going for another leg down and we are breaking this, I would be, if I would be trading it, I would be only trading it with a confirmation, but I'm not planning to short Bitcoin here towards the downside in the immediate future. However guys, and this is the good news here, we have some massive supporters actually here supporting the Bitcoin price directly at the levels where we are right now. First of all, you know what, let's start with the VPVR. You can see here directly below the price action we have a massive cluster of support here on the VPVR, which was built here throughout the whole time period, since the beginning of May basically. So of course this is very important in terms of the volume profile. If we are pulling out the EMA ribbon here, usually we are talking about the EMA weekly ribbon. This is extremely bullish after we had this flip here 2 weeks ago. We covered it on our channel and Bitcoin was bullish ever since. However guys, we also have the 4-hourly weekly ribbon here right now supporting the price. And of course this doesn't mean Bitcoin cannot go lower. In fact, we can even go to the lowest trend line here, to the lowest exponential moving average of the EMA weekly ribbon, 4-hourly ribbon, and still get a support there, and that would be approximately at the level of 9,500 US dollars. So another very short-term trade could be here to catch this bounce and trade it all the way to the current resistance. But of course we are right now speculating on a bullish scenario. We are holding still, we are not in a trade right now, but in case Bitcoin is going to be supported here, whether it's at this area or at any other area, and we are going to attempt here the next breakout, then we will only trade it at this specific confirmation signal. And of course, guys, let me just consolidate you here once more and for the last time this price targets to the upside and to the downside. And I can tell you still, guys, don't get me wrong, we made a slightly bearish video for the immediate short term yesterday, but it's not that I'm flipping bearish. This is a bullish continuation pattern. We went bullish into it, so we are back in that pattern and we can still see that it has significance. So still, we are in a bullish continuation pattern with a higher likelihood of at least 60% to break towards the upside. And also, of course, we are here at the upper band and we have support below. This would, if any, furthermore increase the odds of us breaking out towards the upside. So 11,500, maybe even down to 11,200 would be the target to the upside, and the target to the downside in case you want to make this breakout trade. We will only take the breakout trade in case we are breaking towards the upside. And in case of this happening, it would be approximately 7,000. I do not see that as a very likely scenario. We have a lot of things coming up as support, the EMA weekly ribbon, and of course also the 200-day moving average, and many other things. However, guys, remember what I said. I did not trust all these fake outs here. I did not trade them. First of all, we didn't have the confirmation, and second of all, I am trading these specific patterns here only in case we are reaching the last 20% of the pattern, because this is when we have the most explosive breakouts and also the highest accuracy. And I am not trading every single day. I want to have good trades. I want to have solid trades with which are fitting my own personal game plan. And of course, I only want to trade here the last 20% of a pattern. And this is also exactly the area where we are getting into right now. So keep these price targets in mind. And I really want to go into the on-chain fundamental data, because this is groundbreaking, life-changing. It is giving us the fourth signal in 11 years, actually indicating that we are going into the next bull market. Before I'm doing that, I wanted to know from you guys, do you think we are going to break out towards the upside, or do you think we will break down towards the downside? Let me know, are you a bull or a bear here for 2020? Let me know in the poll which is popping up on top of the screen right now, and say yes or no, especially considering that this poll function will be diminished by YouTube in 6 days. They will just eliminate it. It is very sad. We all laughed it, but I just saw it right now. So let's smash this poll as much as we can for the remaining 6 days. And of course, I will do a comparison here, how often the MMCrypto community was actually right. And I can tell you, it is much more often than not. And this is very unlikely for the majority. But look at this. We put this tweet out just a few minutes ago and we have 51 likes here already. The people are going crazy about it. And this one is about the Buell multiple. We have been covering it when we actually wick down here in this green area. And I will tell you exactly what it means, how to understand it. It's very easy to understand, how to read it, and also what it exactly means for the Bitcoin price here right now for the immediate short term, but especially towards the up and coming, hopefully, parabolic bull run. And what we have been saying here is breaking the Buell multiple. It is basically the minus revenue indicator. We also call it the halving indicator. Just flashed a massive buy signal, the 4th time in the Bitcoin history. Every time the multiple, which is here in this case the orange line, look at it, left the green territory, we had a huge bull run thereafter. In fact, the next 1.5, even close to 2 years were extremely bullish here on the monthly perspective for the Bitcoin price. And what we have been saying here as a conclusion, bulls get ready for 2020, 2021. And I truly believe so. This doesn't mean the Bitcoin price cannot retrace tomorrow or next week, but this means the bottom line of this is actually that 2020, 2021 are very, very likely to be bullish. I've been talking for a few seconds and the likes are just pushing in here because the people understand the significance and importance of this specific tweet here. So what we have been putting out here is that the Buell multiple, which actually takes the minus daily revenue and divides it by the 365-day moving average of the daily miner revenue. And it sounds a little bit complicated, but what it actually says is either if the price significantly decreases or the inflation rate after the halving significantly increases, this means that this multiple sees a sharp decline and is very likely to go into this green territory. We see that after huge crashes, after weekend shakeout periods, and also of course after the recent halving here. And this is exactly what we have been seeing. Remember, in 2012 we went down, the Bitcoin price was actually finding here resistance at the upper band of this green area, we created this W, but only when the Bitcoin price was actually going out of the green area, we went all the way from 64 cents all the way up here to $1,300. The second time though, here in the beginning of 2015, when we left with the pure multiple, the orange line, this green area here, we went from $250 all the way up here to $20,000. And guys, you really have to think about this accuracy, because we had many dumps, but only at the local lows, before we were going into the parabolic bull run. This was exactly when it was giving us the signal, show me an indicator which is as powerful as that. If I'm thinking about it, the only one which was as powerful was the hash ribbons, but they provided also like 2 false signals, and yes, of course, many very strong signals, but this one he had no false signals so far. And then also towards the end of 2018, we were dipping below as Bitcoin was crashing from $6,000 to $3,100. Of course, the miners revenue was off and the pure multiple was off, so we dipped below. And with the recent recovery then afterwards, when we were going out of the green territory, this was the moment when we were going here from $4,000 all the way up to $14,000. And guess what's happening right now? Look at this red circle here. I made it a little bit bigger for you so you can see it. We just went out here 2 days ago from this green area, indicating, of course, that the likelihood is now very high that the 11 years history so far with the 100% confidence level, historical confidence level, will repeat itself. Of course, things can change, but right now it's looking good. So if you go over here to Glassnode, by the way, free link here in the pinned comment down below. If you click the link, you get a completely free account. Putting in your name and your password, you get this account completely for free. And of course, you can upgrade to a paid version with much more advanced data, but you can get a free account here for basic data already with our account. And here I'm zooming out from year to date 2019 until today, and you can see we dipped down here after the halving, because of course, the miners revenue was cut in half. The inflation, the miners rewards measured in Bitcoin were cut in half from 1,800 Bitcoin per day to 900 Bitcoin per day, and we dipped down here. And look at this, on the 1st of June, we finally went out at the price of $10,000. And the question right now is, if the previous ones took us from 60 cents to $1,300, from $250 to $20,000, what is this one here going to do for the Bitcoin price? You can let me know in the comment section down below, but my own personal prediction is that we will see, if we are not seeing a super cycle or hyperinflation boosting the Bitcoin price even higher at today's purchasing power, I could imagine prices between $150 and $300,000 coming very dangerously close, basically, to the gold market cap. Also, guys, very important, you have been a massive support for us recently. All of our last videos got 3,000 likes, 4,000 likes, 2,800 likes, whatever. You are amazing, guys. Thank you so much for scrolling down, smashing up the like button, participating in the comment section, sharing the video. It really helps to get our content out there, and it really shows us that you are appreciating our content just as we are appreciating you coming here into our daily videos, guys. It is the biggest motivation for me, standing up in the morning, waking up and knowing, well, I can talk today again to 20, 30, 40,000 people. It really, like, it blows in my mind that everyone wants to see what I have to say. And yes, I can really just give you my biggest appreciation from the bottom of my heart, guys. This makes me happy every single morning, so you are the best, guys. And I have another point, because this one is here directly connected to the miners revenue, and you can see here the indication that the miners revenue is extremely low. Well, guys, I have good news, and especially I have a message to everyone who is saying the miners are dumping on us. This is not true, because on Glassnode we have a new, for tier 3 accounts, a new indicator here showing to us, and basically I will also show you every now and then these tier 3 account data points here from the professional accounts, because this one is here showing us, look at this, that the transfer volume from miners to exchanges, because this is what this indicator is about. It is tracking approximately like the 20 biggest mining pools, Antpool, Bitmain, and all of them. And it is tracking on-chain from the Bitcoin blockchain. Are these mining pools sending their Bitcoin they actually mined today, yesterday, the day before to exchanges? And what we can see here right now, the average is approximately 90 to 100 Bitcoin per day. However, guys, they are mining 900 Bitcoin per day. So they are only sending 10% of their mined Bitcoin to exchanges, which of course implies that they are extremely bullish on the Bitcoin price. Their revenue and their profitability is off, and they are yet not selling. My own personal interpretation of this specific metric is that they are anticipating much higher prices for Bitcoin, maybe not next week, maybe not in 2 weeks, but they are holding on here for much higher price levels. And of course, they will have to sell eventually one day, since they have to pay their electricity bills. So this one here going to a massive, massive low indicates that, yeah, the miners are very, very optimistic here for the Bitcoin price right now. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section down below. And of course, guys, if you also want to have a bonus here trading the volatility, as we are doing it very soon again here, go to the pinned comment if you are an experienced trader, very important. And above the free Glassnode link, you also find the Bybit, Phemex, and DueDEX link, and you can get $402 completely for free after 0.2 Bitcoin deposit in our pinned comment. On top of the pinned comment section, if you just scroll down to the pinned comment, you will find it. And after clicking these links, after 24 seconds, you get your own account and you can claim these bonuses, trade with the bonus, and also withdraw the profits from the completely free trade, but still only if you're an experienced trader. Very important disclaimer. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you scroll down, you smash up the like button, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.